I'm Dr. Bethany Brinkman from Briar College's engineering program, and I'm here today to start you on your way for your most recent Explore box. In your box, you should have received several cool things to help you make a tilt sensor that turns on a vibrating motor. First up is a small section of plastic tube. Then you should have also received 2 rubber stoppers, a small metallic ball, a bunch of wires, as well as a small breadboard, vibrating motor, and battery connector. And in addition, you should also receive a piece of conductive tape. And this is the really cool part, but it's also the part that requires a little bit of finesse to put together. So that's the purpose of this video today. We're going to use the connective tape to complete a circuit. So in other words, when the ball tilts down to one side of the tube, the ball is going to serve as the final bridge between 2 pieces of conducting tape, which are holding the 2 wires, which then completes the circuit and causes the motor to vibrate. So we're going to focus right now on how to put in that conductive tape into your tube and onto the stoppers. So first part is you're going to put one of the stoppers into the edge of the tube. Then you're going to put in the ball. And so now for the first one, we're going to put a piece of the conducting tape on the side of the tube. Let's cut off a small piece, about 1/2 inch wide. Alright, so I'm going to take one of my pieces of wire, and you can see how both ends of the wire have been stripped, laying bare the metal underneath. And that's really the key. We want this to be a metal-to-metal contact so that the electricity can flow through and complete the circuit. So I'm going to put the long piece of stripped wire here, and then I'm going to tape it down with this conductive tape. And so, just like that. So I've taped the wire into the tube with the conductive tape. So there's a flip side, and there's the other side. So that's one. The next one, we're going to put some of that same conducting tape on the stopper itself, same principle. So we're going to put both the tape and the wire till it's about maybe 2/3 of the way across the stopper itself. So I'm going to cut another piece of conducting tape about 1/2 inch wide along the entire width. And I'm going to take this and tape it on top of the stopper so that just a narrow little strip of the rubber stopper remains. And so this gap is going to be what the ball is going to close and make the completed circuit. And then when you insert it, you need to make sure that this rubber portion goes up against the portion that is not connected to the tape that's currently there. So if we take a look inside, we can see there's no tape touching each other. That's the function of the ball. So I'm going to do that again just so you can get an idea. So we have a piece of tape on the wire here, we have a piece of tape on the wire in the tube, and then when we slide them together, we want to make sure that none of the tape is touching each other. So double check, none of the tape touching each other. That's why looking on the sides is a really good thing. And then, so you have 2 things of wire sticking off the end. We're going to plug those into the circuit, and you can see how to set up the circuit from the instructions in your pack. So I'm going to plug this into the vibrating motor. I'm going to plug this into the same row as the battery. And now, so right now the circuit is not completed, but it will be completed when the ball touches both pieces of metallic tape, like so. Now this does jump around a lot, so if wires come out because the vibrating motor is spazzing so much, that's because it's doing its job. So I'm going to put them in a little bit tighter. And let's complete the circuit by tilting my tube down to the end. And it keeps on going until it vibrates itself into pieces. So that completes your tilt sensor circuit. I hope you had fun making it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us online at the lab. Post your successful circuits to Instagram and let us know if you liked it or not.
Thanks for watching, and we hope to catch up with you soon.